Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
AIDE. AIDE means assistant to important person. For example, a presidential aide. A presidential aide. Synonyms: assistant, helper, advisor.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. Corruption scandals involving presidential aides have also drained his approval ratings. Now, repeat after me. Corruption scandals involving presidential aides have also drained his approval ratings. The second exempli. He sat down and an aide attached a microphone to his jacket. Now, repeat after me. He sat down and an aide attached a microphone to his jacket. The third exempli. The nurses, anesthesiologists, medical technicians and aides who assist the surgeon are paid. Now, repeat after me. The nurses, anesthesiologists, medical technicians and aides who assist the surgeon are paid.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Only 2 English words in current use end in -gry. They are angry and hungry.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.